Now we need to set the header area in our HTML to grow if the mobile menu or any items inside of the header need to get taller than the available space. So to do this, we're going to go back to our CSS file. Let's make sure we're in the media query for a max width of 625. Let's find the header area inside of here, and here we have the height set to 160 pixels. We're going to instead come in here and change the 160 to auto. This will allow the height of the header element to encompass all of its children. After that, we're going to come in here and set a minimum height. So we'll set min-height, and we're going to set that to 160 pixels. This way, when the mobile menu is in a hidden state, the height of the header will still be 160 pixels, so we can see the banner background graphic, but we're not going to limit the height if the mobile menu is activated. And now with these changes for screens under 625, let's scroll down and let's find the media query for screens that are a maximum width of 425. So down here, let's find the header height. So in here, let's find the height property of 110. Let's delete that. And let's come in here and set a minimum height of 125 pixels. And we're going to need to add one more property here for background position. Again, since the navigation element is going to be showing on small screens inside of the header area. So let's come in here and let's change the background position property. So we'll set background position. We'll set this to left and bottom. So with those in place, let's go back to the browser. Let's hit reload. And then if we scroll down the page, we can see that our div container with a class of how-to now shows up after the mobile menu. So the heading area is now extending to be the full height of the entire mobile menu that's inside of the header element. So now that this is working, next we'll restyle the navigation to make these look less like buttons and more like menu items.